this is my Orbeez collection. This is a lot of Orbeez. And me and my Orbeez. We're gonna add water in each one. Okay, let's do that. Comment if you like it, have you ever bathed with Orbeez? I don't think so. So yeah, I'm falling some 20% and I'm still doing videos with y'all. Okay. There. Good. Good. Okay, now soap. Okay, let's. Okay. Done. Okay. Bye, guys.